What's up everybody, my name is Mr.Xeno and you're watching Alien Go Boom. In today's episode we are testing the T4E HDX68. So at first we're gonna be loading it with the normal rubber ball ammunition, 2 rounds, and second the iron balls.
Good.
We're using an almost destroyed 3D form target right here, because it's not completely destroyed and we want to see some blood, of course. So let's try the next round. No serious damage to the skull except for the damage which we made in our last video with the HD50. So let's turn the target to the side and try it again. And next we're gonna mix the magazine with some marking balls and powder balls. This is how you load the shotgun. Let's do this. That? Good. That was awesome. Look at this. The blue color is dripping down, but still no damage to the skull. And next we're using the Devastator 68, which is a plastic bullet with a steel round in it, but we can only load 1 into the tube because the others won't work with this kind of shotgun. So we have to load it manually.
Nugget.
We missed.
Good. Good. Kom już.
So we are not allowed to use real guns at the backyard. So I think we are not able to destroy this kind of skull because it's too tough. Buy it right now. You can have a lot of fun with it. Let's try one more round with the Devastator 68. Finally. Look at this. Oh no. Awesome. We have a huge hole in this skull. But the blood cavity is still intact. I can feel it. I think we should cut the skull open and then shoot it again. Okay, let's have some fun with some paintballs. We loaded 17 in the tube. Let's do this. That was amazing. I don't want to touch this, but I have to. Look at this. We managed to open the cranium and all the blood is dripping out. That's a good feeling. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Please thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and check out the guys from Tactical 24. Special thanks to them and a huge shout out for sending us this awesome shotgun. We had a lot of fun with it. Check out the link right in the description. You can get 10% off your next order if you grab the shotgun.